Day 4 in Buenos Aires. It's Monday, and transit prices have gone up today. So the people are unhappy. From what we can tell, it's 37% increase. So yeah, it's not the normal incremental 2 or 3% we see back home. Yikes. So we'll see if that matters any. But I love this neighborhood anyway, and I also love how many doggies you see in this neighborhood. Look at this guy. Lots of dog walkers. And he's only got 4. I saw someone with 8 the other day, followed by someone with 7. And right below us, that's Palita. That's where we have been having breakfast. Discount from our hotel, with Gisella's chosen diet, necessary diet. It's really hitting the spot perfectly. Oh my goodness, it's Buddy. This is like dog walker central, this corner. Probably, for Vancouver comparison, I've determined this area is probably kinda has the vibe of Kits, which is a good thing. Bolivar Station. That's quite an exchange from line D to line E. But I think this one's a little nicer looking because it was probably built a little more recently. And you want to go north to Retiro. Alright. Purple line got us here. To where Gisela is patiently waiting for me. Made it to Paraguay, guys. This is the more newer, modern part of Buenos Aires. And we're looking for a ferry. The Buquebus. Buy our tickets for tomorrow. Buquebus. Buquebus tickets have been secured. We will be back tomorrow to go to Colonia, Uruguay. Puerto Madero. This guy's happy. The newest part of Buenos Aires, the old port, now turned into this urban living and partying space and business, because there's an ICBC bank over there. That's Gisela. She's on the video now. Buenos Aires is a very lovely place, even though it's only 12 degrees today. So basically it feels like a Vancouver winter. And it is technically winter down here. It's all making sense. There's Punta de Moreiras, the women's bridge, and we'll be crossing that back over to old school Buenos Aires, Clásico. Wave, Giselita. It's our last full day in Buenos Aires. But don't cry for me, Argentina. We'll be back tomorrow for part of the day. Speaking of which, Evita's balcony is right back there. Or wherever the Pink Palace is back there. It's so bright here I can't see. Come with me if you want to live. Hasta la vista, hombres. Here we are at Plaza de Mayo. There's the Pink Palace and Evita's balcony. Let's get on the subway. Sorry, Subte. You know, not a guy that goes looking for pain just for fun, but if this one offers a different type of pain every day and it's gluten-free, now I'm listening. It's not funny. It's about bread. I don't know the name of this park, but it should be showing up on the video on the bottom right now. We're right near Barrio Chino, or Chinatown. And there's the commuter rail coming through. Taking people home. It's about 4:30 on a beautiful lunes tarde. The lunes tardes. And on our 5+ kilometer walk today, hopefully very fit me. How my chin's doing? Gonna have to walk some more. Okay. Buenos Aires, está bueno. Oh, it's so cold. Still on Avenida del Libertador, Libertad, I think. There's the U.S. Embassy, a little behind it, the Colombian Embassy. There's another very fit cyclist going by. And there's Giselita loving Buenos Aires. Es bueno. And right across the street from Gandhi is Avenida República de India, going up that way. Makes sense.